YouTube? It's Midnight Mac, and today we're gonna be playing Skatebird. I literally know nothing about this game, but oh well. That's the fun about it. That is so cute. Aww. That looks so adorable. All right, we're gonna begin adventure. Mac, magpie, same thing. Yes, I am a wizard, gangster, wrestling champ, bird thing. Okay. I guess we can do an ollie. What the heck? Why did I... How do I get up? Help. Help. Oh. Oh, just press it. Oh, that's the other. Oh, okay. I just, oh gosh. Oh, no. Ah, freak. No! Hey! Kickflip. Hey, what am I supposed to be doing? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Ow! Freak.
And sometimes frogs and snakes or crawfish.
What the heck? How did I...
The heron fishes in shallow reedy waters on lakes or rivers.
Oh, wow. Ooh.
After fishing in one place for a while, he may fly on to another favorite spot.
Oh, wow. Sorry. Come on, gangster wizard bird, use your magic. Come on, gangster wizard pro wrestler. No!
The heron eats many fish.
What? The heron eats...
The amazing magpie from the plains of North America.
I'm finally gonna do it. No. I'm gonna press the ollie button. In my mind is how skating works. With the ollie. Wow, you've gotten so much better. Remember when you first tried to do ollies and you just face plant onto the floor? No. Heck yeah, I do. It hurt a lot. It's a shame Big Friend isn't around to see us now. It's a shame Big Friend isn't around to see us now. Oh. Say, what if we made it so they could be around to see this? What do you mean? Since Big Friend isn't around, we have a chance to change some things around here. We could clean up the room, make it a place they'd want to hang out again. Heck yeah. It begins. Find the Big Friend's charger. Okay. Oh gosh. Where's the charger? Neat trick. Oh, I got that. Oops. Ooh, ah. Crap. How did I miss the ramp? Friend, you ready for some seed capital? What's seed capital? Heh. Collect the letters, kid. I'm talking about the most important thing in the world. Is it food? Money. Oh, I am going the wrong way. Oh, okay. Sorry. Luckily I don't have to get in the combo. Gosh, I would hate to have to do that. Okay, so what do you say? Will a crisp $5 bill get you started? Thank you. I'm really not sure if $5 is going to help our big friend. Everyone needs money. If you don't need money, why? That's when you need it more than ever. Hurry up and take my seed money. I'm a bird on a skateboard, Vincent. Thank you for watching. And if you watched the entire videos, then thank you for supporting by watching the entire video. Gaming content soon, or get them out as best as I can. But it was actually fun playing this game. I enjoyed it a lot. And I hope you guys enjoy your day, night, evening, whatever time it is. Enjoy the moment. Peace.